What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete an app that's not showing on your iPhone home screen. Today's tutorial is especially for those of you who want to uninstall an app on your iPhone but just can't find it. Before we dive in, you can also check out other ways to delete apps on your iPhone by tapping the video card above. Alright, let's get started. First, open up the Settings app. Scroll down a bit and tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. If you're on an iPad, then tap on iPad Storage instead. On this screen, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Just scroll through the list until you find the one you want to delete. For example, I'm tapping on Snapchat. Now, tap on Delete App. A final pop-up will appear saying deleting the app will also remove all of its documents and data, and that this action can't be undone. If you're good with that, go ahead and tap Delete App again. That's it, the app is gone. The cool thing is, this method shows you every single app installed on your device's storage. Doesn't matter if it's hidden from your home screen or not, you'll still find it here. If the delete option isn't showing up, don't worry. Just go back to the main settings screen and tap on Screen Time. On this page, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. The next screen will pop up, and if it asks for your screen time passcode, go ahead and enter it. Now tap on App Installations and Purchases, then under the App Management section, tap on Deleting Apps and switch it to Allow. That's it. Now head back to the iPhone storage screen. Pick any app you want to remove. For example, I'm tapping on Snapchat and boom, the delete option finally shows up. Thank God. If you need more info, drop a comment down below. And don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and have a great day.